Thank you for patiently waiting for your turn. Samiksha is from grade 10, SNE International School, Delhi. I witnessed you in your scholarship interaction also of our student ID camp and exchanging your ideas. It was wonderful. You aspire in music and designing, and I was so intrigued on digital art and fashion. And you like to do crochet, like to do theater. So a long flight will be quite entertaining for you. And we would like to see some of your crochet work when you come to Finland. But for now, we want to hear your idea. I will stop sharing and over to you, and you can share your screen. A warm welcome. Thank you.
Good evening to all distinguished guests, respected educators, and my dear fellow students. I'm Samisha Saraswati from Class 10, SNE International School, New Delhi. It is an honor and privilege to stand before you today and express my ideas. Throughout my life as a student, I've always strived for two things. First, to brainstorm and study about diverse cultures, perspective, and ideas. And second, to improve myself. One concept that has deeply affected how I think is the butterfly effect or the chaos theory. The butterfly effect or the chaos theory suggests that even a small action, such as the flap of a butterfly's wing, can trigger a consequence somewhere else. This idea is a very powerful reminder that no action is ever insignificant. Even the smallest decision we take today might shape the bigger future. This is where I chose the Sustainable Development Goal that resonates with me the most. That is SDG 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institutions. This goal seeks to promote peaceful and inclusive societies, ensure access to justice for all, and build effective, accountable, and transparent institutions. A just system always holds wrongdoers accountable and also takes care and gives voice to the innocent. But sometimes even the justice system lacks. The justice system is very good in theory but lacks in the practical part. Like court cases can take years to conclude, bail system can be a disadvantage to those who with no financial resources, and legal representation is really costly for ordinary citizens. Like this, justice becomes not only delayed but sometimes inaccessible. This is where my idea comes. This idea is called legal first aid kiosks. Uh, Legal first aid kiosks basically helps individuals know about their legal rights and also helps them file complaints and also where and how to file them. Most people lose their legal battles not because they're uneducated or they are wrong, but because they don't have the knowledge of their own basic rights. My second idea is blockchain based aid distribution. This is related to the war situations around us right now. And this blockchain based aid distribution basically takes the digital identity of survivors from various suffering areas and helps distribution of blockchain based aids. This helps them not only get their aid that they deserve, but also survivors can get a hope. Now, even though these thoughts are really small, but as the butterfly effect suggests, even small actions can shape a very great future. Now, the question comes that why CC Finland? STEM camps. Now, programs like these help students like us come forward on the stage and collaborate and also talk about our ideas. Programs like Creative Ideator gives young people opportunities to develop innovative ideas and practical solutions. They also promote international collaboration. That means they bring all students from all nations and continents together and they learn from each other. And this is where it also helps me because I can talk about my ideas to everybody. I can share my perspective and I also get their perspective. Now, before I conclude, I would like to have an open letter with my fellow students. Yes, It's right that challenges that we face every day in our life may seem very overwhelming, very overbearing. But no matter how big the problem appears, history has always proved that individuals who believe in possibilities are the ones who bring changes. There is never truly a 0% chance of change. Somewhere a possibility always exists. Our responsibility is to discover it, nurture it, and transform it into a reality. Lastly, I would like to thank everybody here for letting me provide my perspective and also tell everybody about my ideas. I'm really grateful. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Samiksha. It takes a lot of nerve to touch such a delicate issues that you have, especially in a country like India, and you're at the cusp of it, where it's in the capital. So thank you for thinking of that at such young age. I'm sure your principal, chairman, Mr. Dhingra, and your mentor, Ms. Rohini, and other teachers are very proud that you've come out and spoken about this. I really like that you started with the butterfly challenge, because issue like this, the first thing we think is, oh my God, how am I going to solve it? So you already gave an explanation of how, even if there is a small ray of hope. Again, I have a lot of questions in terms of how you want to bring in the awareness, but I really like your ideas, and we will touch upon it more when we go into our ideating sessions. So thank you so much. I'm sure your parents are proud and school is proud. Thank you for coming here and talking about these things. All the very best.